Hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
Hello, Sarah. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Australia. Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student. I study English. And you?
I work as a teacher.
That's great. How long have you been a teacher?
For about 5 years. What about you? How long have you been studying English?
I started 2 years ago. I really enjoy it.
That's good. It's nice to meet someone who loves learning.
Thanks. It's nice to meet you too.
Conversation. Introducing yourself at school.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Lily. What's your name?
I'm David. Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just transferred this semester.
Oh, welcome. What's your major?
I'm majoring in English literature.
That's great. I'm studying education.
Cool. Maybe we'll have some classes together.
I hope so. Let's be friends.
Sure, I'd like that.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Lisa. What's your name?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Lisa?
I'm from the Philippines. And you?
I'm from Cambodia. Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Kevin.
Oh, hi, Kevin. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just started working here last week.
Oh, welcome. What do you do?
I'm in the marketing department. What about you?
I work in customer service.
Great. Maybe we'll get to work together sometime.
I hope so.
Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hello, Alex. I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mia. Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand. How about you?
I'm from Singapore. Are you visiting or living here?
I just moved here for work.
Oh, really? What kind of work do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I design posters and social media ads.
Wow, that's cool. I work in the same building. I'm a web developer.
That's awesome. Maybe we can collaborate on a project sometime.
That would be great. Let's exchange contacts.
Sure. Here's my number.